It's O to the R, there's more to your boy than a flow with a cardless mic. Sometimes I'm holding a card in front of a crowd, but it's only a part. Hey, some non-Christian in a club or some convention, I go get a serious conviction and turn Christian. Somebody, I go get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Remember, say you hear me say it. Somebody I go get an invitation, take a seat in the congregation, take a key, listen to the conversation, and decide say them done with Satan and all of the so-called benefits and advantages that come with Satan. Walk with God and stop run with Satan. Come prepared because complication I go come against you. But if you want good, then you know I go run and it I go pay off when so over I come. Plus, when time God ready, movements of you make, new trends of you set, new friends of you make. And after you cleanse and repent, you realize you get happiness, but not from chilling inside Dirty Fridays or some club on a Saturday night. Somebody now go a quad tonight, them no one fi burn up like sodomites. Somebody, I go get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Who ain't got ready? Movements of your occur. Him a fulfill every prophetic word. Unsaved people are dropping a church, and strange things start up in the church. When they're looking at the views and see a bag of youth full up of tattoos, full up of the goodness of God. Them might look sinister to you, but the spirit a move and the minister through them. Feel them in the word like biblical students. Pop off the word like Nicholas school them. Grow in a spiritual prudence. God I call them to significant uses. So them I go get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Remember, I know guess me, I guess this is something we be confidently about. God I go deliver some less beyond them. I go say Lucifer, you can't catch me again. Don't surprise if you catch CNN. I say Al-Qaeda convert, one will leap a backsliders confirm. As far as I am concerned, somebody I go get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Remember, them I go get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Remember, get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Somebody I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Remember,
Jaja never fail.
Word is I'ma stop it. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. The landlord a can't say the rent won't pay. Light man cut off me light yesterday. Before me go ball, me go pray. Cause me know the Lord Jesus, him a go make a way. Me a go stay safe till me whole and grey. Now make the devil make me lose me way. Now make Satan steal my joy. Me a go stay happy like when Pitney a play. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. All when me no have no funds, now go turn to the knife or the guns. Father got the man take care of the birds, so him now left out him daughters and sons. Yesterday my basket full of crumbs, but today it weigh about couple tons. Anytime the Father working miracle, devil laugh you wonder how come. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you're black or white. On the Lord God you can depend. Him now go trick and him now go pretend. Anything you want know the Father we send come give you. He no matter where or when. Same God no one of the same God then. Did it before him can do it again. The same God do bless Isaac and Jacob, Job and Noah. Yes him and my friend. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you're black or white. He said the landlord a car said the rent won't pay. Light man cut off me light yesterday. Before me go ball me go pray. Cause me know the Lord Jesus him a go make a way. Me a go stay safe till me whole and grey. Now make the devil make me lose me way. Now make Satan steal my joy. Me a go stay happy like when Pitney a play. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you're black or white. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you're black or white.
This is Mr. Amos, Jesus, listen if you're crazy. Oh, them so troublesome. I chew on Jesus' name like bubblegum. Them bad mind people a tan too bad. Run away Lucifer and choose God. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people a tan too bad. Don't still see a God and shoot that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. When Christ was alive, them a try film life. After time died, them a try game wife. Devil Satan does a try film a show him reputation. Christian me a make us stay strong. Satan is about book. The Bible is more effective than any bacon. If Satan try bring up your past, just read me from Revelation. No wonder could have us about Jesus that. Everybody does a try prove Jesus strong. But you now go figure out everything about him because him is a mysterious God. Them people your audience stay bad when things work according to what them want a karma. But if not, them always blame God. Them bad mind people your tan too bad. Run away Lucifer and choose God. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people your tan too bad. Don't still see a God and shoot that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them people you get me cross, kinda like the thing Jesus depend. When him say Father forgive them, me wish them woulda transformed from Stephen to Stefan, so them can see without glasses. Silly boy still see a God. Mom to your man, true love are the reason why you might say Jesus. And if you ask, I want to your hand. I'm not a part. Leave it up to you if you try sabotage. Still gonna scrutinize man of God, so me give you the eyes man of war. No run with it, but when you take off, me have to ask. Oh come you so far? Slow down for me. Them can't stop talking. Still gonna watch me like the stock market. Them bad mind people you tan too bad. Run away Lucifer and choose God. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people you tan too bad. Don't still see a God and shoot that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people you tan too bad. My God, I know the art of confusion. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people you tan too bad. Don't still see a God and shoot that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Yes. Their minds so bad, they probably rotten. And it wouldn't surprise me if it's out. Oh, you so troublesome. I choke on Christian name like bubblegum. Them eyes not moving, like one statue. Hide them, lie down.